In comparing standard liposuction versus laser liposuction, in the post-op, immediate post-op period, there's really not a whole lot of difference. Most of my patients do very, very well regardless of whether they have standard lipo or laser lipo. And a lot of times it's combined. You know, we do both of the procedures as one procedure. But with the proper education, wearing a compressive garment, using ice, avoiding certain types of medicines like aspirin and ibuprofen, most of my patients are back to work within 1 or 2 days. They're very, very well tolerated. You might experience a little bit of bruising, but not a whole lot. You know, probably the biggest complaint after the surgery, after liposuction, laser liposuction, is the drainage. Because when we do liposuction, when we do laser liposuction, I have to get the area numb. So I do put in some salt water that contains a little bit of epinephrine and a little bit of lidocaine to get the area numb and constrict the blood vessels so that we have very, very little, if any, blood loss. But when we do that, that water isn't completely taken off, and our body reabsorbs some of it, but most of it actually will just drain off over the course of about 1 to 2 days afterwards. And that's the reason why we wear the compressive garments, because it squeezes all that excess fluid out. And that's good because a lot of that carries away the inflammatory mediators as well as the things that cause bruising and swelling. So by squeezing all that out, we have very, very little, if any, bruising afterwards. And most people, you know, have a great recovery period and just love this procedure.